beachtet werden Kontrolle, Flüssigkeit und die Sprünge.
You're talking at me again. See, I was your only friend. Better watch it with your head in the clouds. Do you over, you know what I'm about. Why not you consider change your heart? I didn't feel it from the start. You figured how to change my world. You thought that I would be concerned. What I see is mine. I want it to be just fine. I want it, I want it. What I see is mine. I want it to be just fine. I want it. Back to you, I gotta change apart. I didn't feel it from the start. Look me over, I was full of shame. Change the page, now it's all the same. More lies, I can't run it around. Around whenever you come down. Felt myself fell out of place. I thought it wouldn't be this way. What I see is mine. I want it to be just fine. I want it, I want it. What I see is mine. I want it to be just fine. I want it to be unkind. To be unkind. You're talking at me again. I was your only friend. Better watch it with your head in the clouds. Do you over, you know what I'm about. What I see is mine. I want it to be just fine. I want it, I want it. What I see is mine. I want it to be just fine. I want it to be unkind. To be unkind. To be unkind. To be unkind.
Es war ein super Tag. Gute Leine habe ich nachgebracht, bin voll zufrieden. Volkstag für den ersten Platz und hoffe nächstes Jahr wird es wieder ein cooles Event.
Ja, fetter Tag heute in Damüls, fetter Freeride Contest. Zum Glück haben wir gewonnen, ich fahre erst das dritte Jahr mit, war gut. Könnte nicht besser sein. Der Contest war gut organisiert, coole Kicker gebaut, das hat einfach alles Thema gepasst. Darum hat es geklappt. Fetter Double, alles erledigt. Elisa, wie war der Tag?
Ja, heute war ein super Tag, schönes Wetter gehabt in Damüls, super Face und ein paar ganz interessante Runs. Ich hoffe, ich komme nächstes Jahr wieder.